Let's give her a start.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
Today's a special day. I'm gonna leave the RS standing here for a little bit. We're on the way to pick up something cool. Who's got with me?
What's happening?
Alright, so I got a call last night from the driver that's bringing the next rebuild. He ran out of time on his logbook, so now I have to meet him at this truck stop and pick up the car. Okay. I think I see him. At least this one's a run and drive. At least that's what they told me at the auction. I see it. Here she is in all her glory. We're gonna go ahead and load her up and bring her back to the shop. The Honda Civic Type R. All right. Rice. Alright guys, so we're back at the shop. I found a better spot to record, but I still hear some wind. So if you hear some wind, sorry about that. Got the Type R back. She looks pretty decent. Took a front right hit here. Just literally scraped the body. Not too hard. Frame rails are good. A headlight, bumper, fender, hood hinges, 2 doors, rear quarter, rear bumper, taillight, airbags. I think that's about it. Car runs and drives. I mean, not very fast, but it does. Has AC, still works in it. This hood scoop here reminds me of the Evo. I don't know if it's operational or not, but we'll see. 20-inch wheels. Funky 3-tip exhaust here. I was really worried about the rear quarter panel because I thought it was flared out at the at Honda, but it's just plastic adapters. They just literally mount here. It should be pretty simple. We found this quarter panel for about $280 at Honda, so can't beat that. I've got a local body guy that said that he's going to take care of me, so looking forward to that. Inside, let's see what we got going on. Looks good. Can't lie, I really like the seats. Airbag deployed, side curtain bag there. Gonna need a Civic black headliner. That seat is gonna be repaired. I'll show you guys how we sew them up. Deployed airbag here. Seatbelt shot on that side and this side as well. That's okay. We'll send them out, get them done right. Let's pop the hood. Brembo brakes. Proper. Here's the engine. Honda did something right here, I think. Maybe we might mock up a strut bar here and make one. Who knows? Looks pretty good though. Alright guys, so we had some battery issues and I ended up bringing her into the shop, and I wanted to show you guys that she does indeed start. Look at that steering wheel. Isn't that pretty? Alright. Come on, Honda VTEC Turbo. What you got for me? Alright. Look at that Christmas tree. Every light possible is on. That's alright. That's alright. We got computers, right? 13,000 miles on it. This dashboard airbag's deployed. I need to figure out if it's the entire dashboard or if it's just that panel here up top. I see that crease. Hopefully it's just that top piece and don't have to pull the whole thing out. Here, the infotainment system. I still gotta get the hang of it, but looks like she's working. AC's blowing nice and cool. That's cool. Got all these switches on the steering wheel. I'm gonna figure them out later. Yeah, the steering wheel is awesome. I like the Type R on the floor mats. That's kind of cool. Here on the center console, the cup holders slide back and forth, and this little tray here. Really smart engineering. I really like that. In the back seat, pretty dirty. If this thing would focus. For a turbocharged car, man, is this thing quiet. That's horrible, Honda. Why did you ever do this? I could hear myself think. You're supposed to be turbocharged. Come on, guys, get it together. I'm just kidding. We'll just put a bigger exhaust on it, call it a day. Here on the lower lip, I was not expecting this damage. I have the little piece here. Not sure if I'm going to be able to save it. We'll see though. The battery, that's toast. I had to take it out because we couldn't get the car to start again. We got a couple pieces here that are not usable. Oh yeah, that is cool. Hold on. Look at those seats. That's awesome. All right, guys. Well, that's the 2017 Honda Civic Type R rebuild part 1. The SRT4 is on hold for a second because I'm having trouble finding parts, especially for that turbo. Literally the center turbine deal cost as much as I paid for the entire car. So that's kind of putting a damper on things for that rebuild, but stay tuned. You'll see more of it, and you'll see more of this car. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, and see y'all next week.